Hey guys, welcome to the new video. My name is Nick Zonin, and to the ones who don't know, I have a goal to make $1 million in profits by the end of next year. And this might sound like an intro from Anonymous Alcoholics Group, but anyway, on this channel in my videos I'm showing how the heck exactly I'm going to achieve this goal, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and in the previous video we made our first purchase on the new account that I made, and let's look at where the market is. Well, everything is green and the Bitcoin shows pretty positive dynamics. As we can see, almost all altcoins are in green zone within the last 24 hours. BNB, XRP, Ethereum plus 12%. Well, Cardano, Cardano is doing not that great, as always, for the last year. Solana plus 11%, DOT plus 8%, Avalanche plus 11%, as we spoke in the last video. This is one of my nearest goals, to buy this coin. Matic plus 11%. Well, everything is doing pretty great, and our first purchase was near, and as you can see, it's already giving plus 9%. We bought it only for $400 for now, and we will definitely buy more. Let's look at the Bitcoin. So as I said in the previous video, I don't think that this bear market will last forever, which is pretty obvious. But and I still don't believe that this is the end of the falling down. This actually might look like a reversal point, a point where the bear market will end. Like, this is a pretty strong level, not that strong as it was here, but you can see that after the previous pretty strong uptrend, we had this deep. We retested this huge and very strong bottom. Here we had a range where we had a breakout, pretty strong breakout, not on a high volume, but still. And after that, this turned out the trap. And after that, we retested this low and squeezed out everyone who thought that that was the beginning of a new uptrend. And guys were squeezed out so dramatically here, huge losses. And here, those who were not squeezed out on that candle were squeezed out here. Almost none of the players who holded futures contracts survived this crash. And what we see now, I believe, is what we saw here. So we had a pretty huge drop, the same here, and here we have range. The only difference is that here we had a lot more players in the market. So that's why the Bitcoin had powers to make much larger fluctuations and much larger movements in this range. And here, almost none of people who were here are keep trading, and were definitely very few people left on the market. So that's why the Bitcoin doesn't have that much power to do big movements. And here what I think will happen, and what I think we'll see in the next weeks, we even in the next few days, we can see a breakout as we had here. And for a lot of people, it will be a confirmation that that was the bottom, and our main benchmark for the whole crypto market made a breakthrough, and this is a new starting point for the new bull market. And there is also a lot of liquidity of the ones who shorted the Bitcoin and are still holding short positions. So I think once we hit around 23,000, we will see a spike maybe to 24,000 or 25,000, which will be caused by liquidations of the ones who shorted, and also by the ones who will believe again in the uptrend. And after that, this will be a perfect point for whales to squeeze out the ones who are holding long positions and the ones who will buy after this breakout. So after this candle, I think we will have one more already here, which will show that this was a trap. People will lose their faith completely. We may hit around 17,000 or even 15,000, and after that, without giving too much chance to get back into positions, we may see something like this. Just a moment. All right, like this, and we may go somewhere up just in the days, and FOMO will be very strong. So people will just not have a chance to get on the train here. They will start buying here on upper levels, and the story will repeat itself, just as we seen it at this point, where everyone believed that was the end of this uptrend. Everyone believed that that was the start point of the next crypto winter, and after that everything turned around. Bitcoin started growing pretty fast, and a lot of people actually bought, not here and not even here, but they bought it somewhere around here, and they were squeezed out as always after that. And when if you look at the chart like this, you may think that, all right, so this is the new uptrend, boom. Oh no, that was a fake, and you may start shorting again. And at this point, you may draw a trend line showing that this is the beginning of the huge downtrend. This is the confirmation. You may take more shorts, and boom, first squeeze, new squeeze. You still think that this is fake, and only after Bitcoin hits around somewhere around the top, 64,000, and then the FOMO starts. And I think more than a half of the market actually buys at the point like this and like this. Very few people are buying on dips. Well, this is not the universal rule, because on this period, this spring, a lot of influencers, bloggers, experts said that this is the perfect dip, and you should buy, you should build your new portfolios, and this is actually the moment when everyone doesn't believe, and the perfect the perfect spot to make new positions. And well, everyone everyone who took positions with margin were just dropped out from the market. And actually this is pretty good, because the smaller amount of people who believe in an uptrend, the larger will be the actual movement. So what I think is better to do now, not to wait for any confirmations, just because you may not just be able to jump on a train. So it's better to start buying already. And even if I'm wrong, and if other people are wrong who believe that this is the beginning of the real bottom, and well, the price may go lower than I said. It may go up even to 10,000, or it may just stuck on this level, and for the next like 1 or 2 months we can see a huge range where everyone who longs and everyone who shorts will be squeezed out over and over and over again. And the chart on the high level may look like this. And that's why I'm saying that it's very important not to buy on the whole amount that you have. That's why I decided to make purchases 100 by 100. And if the market continues the flat, then I will be able to make new purchases and to make my price better and better. So, and if everything goes up, then I will just start buying for larger amounts, but still following my risk management and still holding enough money in cash in case the movement is fake, and in case of next dips after that. And I believe that my strategy will allow me to build a strong portfolio of pretty cool and pretty perspective coins that will bring me around $300,000 profits by the end of this year. And I'm pretty sure I will be able to reach $1 million in profit by the end of next year, after the actual huge bull market, which will happen. I'm pretty confident that this will happen anyway. The main question is always when. This may happen by the end of this year or next year. We'll see. Nobody knows. But what we need to do, we need to act properly. We need to make reasonable moves, and we need to always have enough cash to keep buying, and not to be stuck in the market when coins that you believe at offer you perfect prices and you don't have money to buy that. So I think this is a moment of huge opportunities where we can buy top coins for awesome prices, like Chainlink. Instead of paying $30, you can buy it for $6. Dash, instead of 200, you can buy it for 42. Atom, instead of 36, you can buy it for 9. And I can keep going and going and going again. Zilliqa, actually, I want to adjust my plan. In the previous video, I said that I'm going to buy Avalanche or Atom, but this spring on my another account and another portfolio, we bought it with friends for around 1.045, and after that we made around 5x on this coin. And now we have a chance again to buy it for only 4 cents. And why I think Zilliqa is a perfect opportunity is because this spring the team of this project announced that they're going to turn into a metaverse. After that, we saw this huge movement, and nothing changed. They their team is still the same, their plans are still great, and they're still going to hit the right spot someday. So just only because of fear in the market, they price went down to its previous value. So today I'm going to buy this coin, exactly this coin, and let's do it actually right now. So I added $100 more to my account, and we will set the price a little bit higher. Buy, confirm order. It will probably ask me to enter my password again, so just a sec. Alright, paste, submit, order placed. So let's see what is happening. Right, done, trade history. Cool, so we got 2,624, almost 25 coins of Zilliqa. And let's look at the chart. Let me open it here. All right, so this spring the price hit 21 cents, and this time my goal is gonna be much higher. I'm not going to send it when the price hits 22 cents again. I will be holding it I think much longer, but we'll see. Anyway, I will share my thoughts on that. We'll be looking at the market, looking at the price action, and we'll see. But I think I will not sell it when it hits the top, because I from this coin I'm expecting much higher values, and we'll see. And next time I think we will actually buy Graph, not Avalanche, but Graph. And currently it's also a great moment to buy it, but I don't want to go away from my strategy, so I will not buy it right now. I will give the market one more day to stabilize, to show where it's going, and if the current movement is fake or it's a confirmation of the actual bottom. And we'll see if it goes to 13 cents from this point. Nothing critical, as I said. I believe in this project, and I believe that $1 and even $2 is not the limit for its price. I think it will when the Bitcoin will start its rally, and when the Bitcoin will start its journey to 100K, I think projects like Graph will just explode, and the price might be over $3 for this coin. It's not financial recommendation. Do your own research. Do not follow my words blindly. And what I'm saying are just my plans, and I'm sharing with you how I'm going to achieve my ultimate goal to make $1 million on crypto. So thank you guys. Thank you for staying with me. Please subscribe. Please share your feedback. Please leave your comments. This is very important for me, and I'll see you in the next video in a few days. Thank you guys. Bye bye.